So you almost finished building your top-notch gaming PC.
Using a high-end processor, an enthusiast motherboard, fast SSD PCIe Gen5 storage, high-speed DDR5 memory, and a powerful graphics card.
So what's next? Well, you need a suitable yet capable power supply to power up your PC system.
And this is where the Thermaltake ToughPower PT 1200 watt power supply comes in. It's certified 80+ platinum and uses 100% Japanese capacitors for superb power efficiency and reliability. What's more, it's also PCIe 5.1 ready and ATX 3.1 compliant for maximum compatibility. Oh, and did I tell you, it comes with a massive 10-year warranty. Yes, 10 years. Now that's pretty impressive. The power supply comes with a silent 135mm fluid dynamic bearing cooling fan with a flow rate of around 31 CFM and a noise level of only 30 decibels. It features a 12-volt single rail at 100 amps, giving you a total power output of up to 1200 watts. The power supply offers numerous built-in power protections to safeguard your PC against electrical spikes, over temperature and more, giving you peace of mind. There are plenty of connectors on the PSU to support numerous devices, including dual native PCIe Gen5.1 16-pin connectors for the latest NVIDIA graphics cards. The power supply is super compact, measuring just 14cm in length and 15cm in width, with a height of only 8.6cm. It comes with all the accessories and cables, including a power cord, Velcro straps for cable management, cable ties, and all the necessary modular cables with a low-profile etched design. These include a 24-pin ATX power cable, two 12-volt 2x6 cables, two 8-pin PCIe power for the motherboard, three PCIe cables with a 6+2 pin, two SATA power cables, and one 4-pin Modex cable. The low-profile etched cables allow for easy routing, which helps to reduce clutter and enhances airflow. The compact size of the PSU allow you to fit it in most cases, from full-size ATX to compact midi micro ATX cases. Installing the PSU is super easy, needing only 4 screws to secure it onto the case. Once installed and powered up, the noise level at full load was only around about 30 decibels, while low temperatures only reached 25 degrees max for a single GPU setup. If you're after an affordable high-end power supply with a 1200 watt capacity, then you have to check out the Thermaltake ToughPower PT 1200 watt PSU. So what do you think? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, give us a like, a share, and follow for more.